here's how to link Instagram to Facebook page. So in this video, I'm going to exactly show you how you can link your Instagram to your Facebook page. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. So this is the most easiest method on how you can link your Instagram to your Facebook page. So yeah, just make sure you watch every step carefully to know what to do. So yeah, what you have to do is just go to Facebook. So once you're in Facebook, here as you can see, you just have to go to your menu and make sure that you've selected your Facebook page. So here as you can see, I've already selected my Facebook page, but if you don't know, just press on the page rotating icon and you'll be able to switch your accounts, or you just need to press this and you will be able to select your page. So once you are in your page, what you have to do is just press on the gear icon on the top. Once you press on it, it'll bring you up to settings and privacy tab. What you have to do is scroll down a bit until you see linked accounts. So here just press on linked accounts and just press on Instagram. So here as you can see that I've already connected my Instagram to it, but you can just press Instagram and here it will bring it. But here as you can see, I've already connected mine, so I'm just going to disconnect and check it out. So it's going to ask me to disconnect, but yeah, once I press disconnect, it's going to disconnect my account. And here as you can see, my account has been deactivated and it's going to show like this. So just press on view and connect account. Once you do this, just press continue and it will bring up the Instagram page. And here you just press confirm and put in your details, just like your email, phone number and password. Once you do this, your Instagram will be directly connected just like mine. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out. Leave a like and drop a like and subscribe to this channel. Until then, goodbye and peace out.